Di ba sinabi ko na sa'yo na huwag ka na muna magpaparamdam at di pa ako handa. Kailangan na natin na lisanin ng nakaraan. Ngunit pa ulit-ulit tumanda ko sa aking isip ang nakakatanga.
Give me a reason why I should fight for this love. Maybe I've been thinking of 1,000 reasons why I should not fall in love, but you're the only reason why I keep thinking about love. Yeah, I've been thinking about it every now and then, every day, every night. Yeah, sana kayang balikan, kaso paano naman kung ako lamang palagi yung magsisikap para lang mapunan ang mga pagkukulang mo. Kaya ginawa mong pagkukulang ko. Cause I see you as a controller, baby, huwag mo tong gagawin laro.
Tapos biglang pabalik, parang yung beat, yeah. Kahit alam ilang payo na ang sinasabi nila lahat sa'kin, nakakapasang aminin ang sinisigaw ng damdamin ko, ikaw.
Kahit sa pagtulog ko sa gabi,
ang ikaw.
kahit sa mga hapong madilim,
oh ikaw.
kahit alam kong mali,
ang ikaw, baby.
Wait, am I in a dream? Damn, girl, you look fine as hell. Damn,
Baby, don't stop, just getting started. Yeah, this night's our kingdom. You're the queen of the night, yeah. Sweat dripping on your legs, and then you know what's next. We gonna finish the morning without even opening back a caress.
then after that we're just done. Iwan ang nakaraan. It was just a one-time thing, and I know that we were just having fun. Yeah, it's more fun with you riding on top of me. I wish I could get a canvas, paint you in the scenery. Nobody touching,
Nobody touching.
cause when I'm with you, babe, it's all or nothing.